If you want to make sure you never miss an important Telegram message on your computer, this video is going to show you exactly how to enable Telegram desktop notifications in just a few easy steps. This is a quick but really useful setting, especially if you use Telegram for work, group chats, or staying connected with friends and communities throughout the day. Once notifications are turned on, Telegram can alert you instantly right on your desktop, so you do not have to keep checking the app manually. If this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are signed into the account you want to receive notifications on, because the setting will apply to that desktop session. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This opens Telegram's main menu, where you can access all of the app's key settings. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your account, privacy, chat and notification options in one place. After that, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how Telegram alerts you for new messages, calls, and other activity. Now look for the toggle next to Desktop Notifications. If it is switched off, click it to turn it on. Once the toggle is enabled, Telegram will start showing notifications on your desktop whenever new messages or alerts come in, depending on your system and app settings. If you do not see notifications right away, it is a good idea to also check your computer's operating system notification settings, just to make sure Telegram is allowed to send alerts there as well. On Windows or Mac OS, the app itself may be enabled, but system-level permissions can still block pop-ups if they are turned off. So if you ever run into issues, that is one of the first places to check. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Telegram desktop notifications. Now you can stay updated without missing important conversations while working, browsing, or multitasking on your computer. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.